Good evening to everyone. Namaste India, Marhaba Dubai, Magandang Gabi Philippines, Mabuhay. Evening everyone. Thank you for being here this evening and welcome once again to our leadership training program. Well, I'm Perlita Alupias from Baguio Benguet, Philippines, working here in Dubai for almost 7 years. I'm so blessed with the person who invited me and my sponsor, Miss Marilu Veras. I joined this Magnesa last August 2020. Well, tonight I would like to introduce you our trainer for tonight. He is humble and supported leader. Is ready all the time to help more people. He is from India. He lives in Dubai for 5 years. 10 years of sales experience and overall including India, building the business full time with the vision to touch millions of lives by the year of 2027. And now, please help me welcome our 001 Superman, Anand Bharti. Go over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, Miss Pearl. You made me a Superman. I thought I'm just a man. All right. Um, as Miss Perlita, she introduced me. My name is still the same, Anand Bharti, and I have been here in Dubai since 5 years now. I worked in several companies, and well, I learned something because my total work experience is 12 years if I count since 2008. Even before that, when I was in college, I was working because my graduation I did it was correspondence, so it was not like a regular graduation, and I did not go for the classes. I just went and wrote the exams. So something happened back in 2004, and because of that, we couldn't get big support to pursue my studies. So I had to work for my studies, and uh, with all my job experiences, I learned something. You really don't have to wait for yourself to get hit before you learn something. Some learnings we can also do by others' experience. So accumulating all the experiences, I learned something that through this job, regardless what salary I draw, is really not going to fulfill my dream. And we all have certain dreams. uh, you know it's just that we become comfortable uh, with time and by just getting the hits. So as I always give this example, when you were in the schools, we had so many dreams. We thought that, well, once I get into the job, my dream job, or that's gonna pay me a whole lot of money and I will be able to fulfill my dreams. Now if you remember, you passed out your schools, you went to the college, and still the dreams were there. But by the time you passed out your college and you went to the job and you got your first salary, when you got your first salary, it was very, very disheartening. It was very like one excitement you had, like you got the money, but when you really compared with your dream, you got to know that this is not actually um, the outcome you expected from your salary, because your dream was to get some handsome good salary, good income, which could take care of a lot of dreams you had. सो कई सारे सपने थे जो हम जॉब में आके जो पहला सैलरी मिला, तो हमारा पूरा सपना जो है ना, वो एक तरह से जब पहला सैलरी मिला तो ये सोच लीजिए कि हमारा सपना टूटने का पहला दिन था ना। हमें एक झटका लगा पहले दिन जब सैलरी आया, क्योंकि हमें ये पता चला कि ये सैलरी से तो सिर्फ हम अपनी ज़रूरतों को पूरा कर सकते हैं, और वो भी सारी ज़रूरतों को नहीं, कुछ ही ज़रूरतों को पूरा कर सकते हैं, और हमारा सपना जो है ना वो उसको छूना बहुत मुश्किल है, and it's very difficult to reach and achieve and fulfill the dreams, because that was merely enough somehow to cover up the basic expenses. Now the second time, next month, दूसरा महीना हमें फिर सैलरी मिला. जो जब दूसरा सैलरी मिला तो फिर हमें एक बार और झटका मिला. The third salary we got the second shock, and then the third, and then the fourth, and the fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ऐसा चल के when we reach to the 12th salary, पूरा एक साल पूरा किया हमने. 12 months we worked 365 days, and 365 days 12 months when we worked, जब हमने 12 महीने काम किया, 365 दिन काम किया, then we realized कि we all got was only 12 times we got paid. सिर्फ 12 बार हमें सैलरी मिला. Only 12 times we received salary. And by the time हमें आदत पड़ गया, हमें we got habitual of that salary. We got the habit of receiving that salary, and we forgot the dreams. Because anything that repeats in our life, it becomes a part of our life. And we become habitual. We become the part of it. तो उससे क्या होता है कि फिर बाद में चल के आगे आगे चल के हमें फर्क नहीं पड़ता और हम उसको रियलिटी मान लेते हैं. We take it as a reality of life. We think that this is the practical life. Now पूरा सपना, the dreams is crushed, खत्म हो गया. अभी बस ये करना है कि सैलरी मिल रहा है, नौकरी है, शादी हो गई, बच्चे होने हैं, बच्चे बनाने हैं, बच्चे को अच्छा स्कूल में भेजना है. अभी पूरा जोर लगा के हम कोशिश करते हैं कि हम बच्चों को कुछ अच्छा बना के दें, करके दें. लेकिन आप अपने लाइफ में, यू मस्ट डेफिनेटली नो सम पीपल इन योर लाइफ हु रियली ट्राई देयर हार्ड द बेस्ट, पूरा कोशिश करते हैं ऐसा बच्चों के लिए करने के लिए, ताकि एंड में जाके वो लोग बच्चों को एक अच्छा लाइफ दे सके, या एक अच्छा बच्चों का ऐसा सिचुएशन में डाल सके बच्चे अपने ड्रीम्स को पूरा कर पाए. So we work all our life so hard so that we can at least put our children into such condition that they can fulfill their dream. They can become what they really want to become. But when time comes, जब वो लोग बच्चे, when they grow up, जब टाइम आता है उनको कॉलेज भेजने का, then it becomes tight. तब तक हमारा एज, उम्र ऐसा हो जाता है कि उनको अफोर्ड करना, वो चलो स्कूल तो आपने अफोर्ड कर लिया, somehow you were able to afford their schooling. Now once the school is over, they want to go to such college जहाँ की they want to choose their profession. They want to become maybe some let's say a pilot, or maybe a CA, or maybe whoever, you know, doctor, or maybe engineer. Do you, I mean, if you check the kind of money you need to take care of their education for doctor or engineer, you know that very well, right? If you want to go for good colleges, it requires a whole lot of money, which difficult to afford. Then what we tell our children, okay, why don't you do one thing, कुछ काम कर लो पार्ट टाइम, और वो सब छोड़ो, कुछ और कर लो. So first thing we teach our children, and we force them to crush their dream. So we are the ones who did not really do anything great. It's just because not we really didn't want to. Just इसलिए हमने नहीं कर पाया क्योंकि हमें कभी ऐसा हमने आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स हमने सोचा नहीं. हमारा सपना तो क्रश हो गया, और हम धीरे धीरे अपने बच्चों के सपने को भी क्रश करने के लिए शुरू कर देते हैं और सोचते हैं कि ये प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ. वो प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ नहीं है. That's not practical life. Let's understand one thing. Whatever we talk about practical, it evolved from emotion. It evolved from emotion. There is nothing called logical. You know, every logic get evolved from emotion. When your emotion is strong, you will put all your logic, सारे logic आप लगा दोगे उस emotion को पूरा करने के लिए. So it's just that कि हम अपना potential को पहचान नहीं पाते हैं, या छोटे मोटे comfort zone के लिए चले जाते हैं. That's when we lose ourselves. So today what I'm going to actually share is If you have pen and paper handy, you may write this down because मैं धीरे धीरे और अग्रेसिव होके जैसे जैसे इस बिजनेस में आगे बढ़ रहा हूँ and I'm facing lot of people with different perceptions and I'm loving to enjoy, encounter them. कोई कोई बंदा आ रहा है, there are some people come on my face with really different perception towards this industry, towards this business, and I'm challenging you, trust me, I'm challenging you, bring the most difficult person with the most negative perception towards this industry, towards this business. I can help that individual, मैं उसको help कर सकता हूँ उसका perception को change करने में. I can help them. Now, when we start, what we are trying to do is we are building a part-time business. Now, this is a part-time business. Trust me, it is actually a part-time business. Even though I say that I'm building this business full-time, but I don't give even 10 hours, 12 hours in the business. I mean, there are so much of gaps. In the morning when I wake up, even if I have back-to-back meetings, talking about my schedule. I start from 9 o'clock or maybe 9:30. It goes up to 2 o'clock, maybe 2, 3 meetings, 4 meetings, and then there is a gap. And then again in the evening, I will catch up with few meetings. तो होता क्या है? Technically, if you see, this is like you can start part-time. So when we tell our friends that, my dear friend, I have a part-time business opportunity or option for you. Would you like to check and see if this is something for you? That's how we do the invitation. My dear friend, एक पार्ट टाइम बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी है जिसमें कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं लगेगा. क्या तुम जानना चाहोगे कि तुम्हारे लिए है या नहीं है? That's it. वो क्या बोलेगा? By people use can, yeah, of course, I want to know. What is it? Tell me. I mean, he cannot even wait for a second without asking, okay, tell me what it is. What I have to do. Right? Now, that's where we fail to answer. Literally, we fail to answer. The reason because we are not educating ourselves. Now, when we attend these meetings and trainings regularly, we will be able to educate and we will be able to give right answers to the people, because this business is all about consultation, giving right information to everyone. Helping people look at this industry and business in a right perception. Helping people how to look the half filled glass as a half empty glass as half filled. So we help people change the perception about things. Now, when we talk about part-time business, some people now everybody says, सब लोग बोलते हैं हाँ बताओ क्या है कौन सा पार्ट टाइम बिजनेस है, क्या करना है उसमें, कैसे है. they're going to ask a lot of questions. First of all, we need to help that individual. उसको हमें हेल्प करना है ये समझाने के लिए कि भाई लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज पार्ट टाइम. तो पार्ट टाइम का मतलब ये है कि आपको यू डोंट हैव टू लीव योर जॉब, तुम्हें अपना जॉब को छोड़ना नहीं है और 2 से 4 घंटे वीकली निकाल के और इस बिजनेस को कर सकते हो. इज लाइक अच्छा जी, करना क्या है? वेट, करना क्या है मैं बताऊंगा. लेट मी गिव यू कंप्लीट एंड करेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन. दूसरा, जब हम बिजनेस की बात करते हैं, व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय बिजनेस? वो सामने वाला जो है ना, द गाय, योर फ्रेंड इज जस्ट गोइंग टू अज्यूम एज अ जॉब. I'm telling you, even though you tell that guy, bro, it's a part-time business, he's not going to understand business. He's only going to understand that there is something I have to do and I will make money. But he's not understanding that it's a business. What is business? You need to explain that individual. Let me help you understand what is business is all about. Business में sales and purchase involve होता है. Every business, that's the meaning of business. Business, the word business comes meaning there is a sale and purchase involved. और सेम वे हमारे बिजनेस में भी सेल परचेज इन्वॉल्व है. नाउ द बेस्ट थिंग इज हमारा बिजनेस लीगल और एथिकल है, बिकॉज एवरी मनी जनरेटेड in the business is through exchange of the product. प्रोडक्ट के सेल के जरिए पैसा जनरेट हो रहा है, इसीलिए हमारा बिजनेस लीगल और एथिकल है, रजिस्टर्ड है, राइट? तो ये समझाना बहुत जरूरी है. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू एक्सप्लेन द फर्स्ट थिंग, द बेस of the business. When we explain the base, then we move to the next one. One more common objections I want to help you understand is, normally a lot of people, when you talk on the phone and offer a part-time business, most of the people, which look, there are some people very smart. They will just understand. They will say, you know what, is this the MLM thing? Is this the direct sales? Is this that chain marketing? They're very smart. Now, the answer to that question is, we don't know. It's not that. I don't know. I have learned it, so I'm going to tell you. But normally the answer that we give, जो आंसर हम देते हैं अपने दोस्त के सवालों का, वो गलत रहता है. वो हमारा दोस्त पूछ रहा है, ये वही है चेन वाला सिस्टम, चेन मार्केटिंग या प्रोडक्ट सेल्स या डायरेक्ट सेल्स, वही है. हम गलती से या तो हाँ बोल जाते हैं या तो ना बोल जाते हैं. दोनों ही आंसर गलत है. Yes is also a wrong answer, no is also a wrong answer. Now, let's understand what is our business. It's very important to understand for ourselves first. What are we doing? What business are we doing? We need to help the other person understand the real thing. हम थोड़ा थोड़ा information देके we cannot expect a healthy decision. So let's understand for ourselves what exactly is our business. Is our business just like a product sales? No. Is our business like a MLM? No. Not only. I'm not saying it, these are all small component जो हमारे business में जैसे मान लो, let's say for example, take a name of a dish, any food. Maybe let's talk about biryani. Biryani everybody knows. या सब लोग बिरयानी जानते हैं. Now अगर आपके सामने प्लेट में बिरयानी रखा हुआ, ठीक, अगर आपका दोस्त आके बोलता है, यार तुम चावल खा रहे हो, your friend comes and says, bro, you are eating rice. No, it's not rice, it's biryani. If he doesn't know what is biryani, then he says, well, it looks like rice and there is some flesh, is कुछ मीट के टुकड़े नजर आ रहे. So is that a meat and a rice mixed together? No, it's biryani. He doesn't know what is biryani. Then that's how we need to explain, help him understand what is biryani, what is network marketing business. It's not only direct sales, it's not only referrals, it's not only sponsoring people, it's not only product sales. So let's learn what is biryani or what is our network marketing business. So network marketing business, it's a business where we eliminate, remove the supply chain. सप्लाई चेन को हम बाहर निकाल देते हैं और सप्लाई चेन को बाहर निकाल के हम डायरेक्टली कंपनी से जुड़ जाते हैं. We directly connect with the company, and because by default we are consumers, by default हम सब लोग कंज्यूमर है, कस्टमर है. तो अगर हम ऐसे कंपनी के साथ जुड़ रहे हैं जिनके पास वो सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो प्रोडक्ट्स हम बाहर से खरीद रहे थे, why will I not buy the product from my company, from my business? तो मैं कंज्यूमर अपना शॉप, अपना ब्रांड को चेंज करके, I change my shop and brand, I start buying the product from the business that I'm building. So I become consumer of my own business, number one. So if you have a general store or a supermarket, of course you will not go to other supermarket and buy the product. Even if you have to buy, by paying the money, definitely you will buy from your shop. So you're shopping from your shop, number one. Number two, because you became a distributor and you were already a consumer, distributor come consumer, then what you're going to do, in order to earn money, you have to uh, you have to do or go through spreading the word of mouth. This business, word of mouth. So through our words, not by making billboards, banner, social, I mean, paid advertisement. ये सब हम नहीं करते. We don't do all those. We go by word of mouth. Now, to go through word of mouth, first of all, we need to learn what to speak and how to speak. That's where the learning comes into the picture. And with this learning, not only the business, not only the product, not only the industry we learn, but the most important what we learn, सबसे important हम ये चीज सीखते हैं कि हमारा वो लर्निंग के साथ हमारा एक पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट हो जाता है. जब हम बोलते हैं कुछ और जो भी बोलते हैं whatever we speak, it makes a lot of sense because we are coming through a learning. So word of mouth का business है ये, जहाँ पे हमने जो करा, what we did, we became distributor, we started using the product. Same thing we tell other people to do. We are spreading the word of mouth. We tell people, do the same what I did. Another important aspect of this business is we help people um, through building their business. We create a leverage. तो होता क्या है कि through us there are some people who are going to become distributor. Now among all those distributors, कुछ लोग, वो सारे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर जितने हमारे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर हमने बनाए, उनमें से कुछ लोग, there are some people who will not build the business because they are not actually ready to build it, or maybe they don't want to get out of their comfort zone. मेरे ख्याल से इंडिया का 2 लाख रुपए कमा रहा होगा तो बहुत कंफर्टेबल लाइफ जी रहा है, उसको टेंशन नहीं है 60 साल के बाद क्या होगा. ठीक है, जो होगा देख लेंगे. अभी मेरे को आराम से 2 लाख का 200,000 INR, how much in India? Yeah, 10,000 dirhams he is getting salary and he is very comfortable. He don't want to build the business. He thinks that he is getting a whole lot of money and that money will keep on coming until his last breath. But he doesn't know that there are so many coronas coming like this corona. And which corona can hit him back on his job, he doesn't know. I have seen people badly falling down. So, but the thing is, the cushion, जो comfort zone है, इतना गर्म हो गया, इतना comfortable हो गया, it's very difficult to stretch out. So, understand, some people will not build the business. That's okay. But even though they joined the business, became a distributor, bought the product, you still made money. No problem. He did not lose anything, you do not lose anything. Instead, you gain something. He also got to experience some better quality product. Number two, some people will join the business, will like some of the product, not all the products. कुछ products उसको अच्छा लग जाएगा. वो क्या करेगा, बार-बार खरीदेगा. Every time he will buy the product, he will make money. Not bad. Some people will understand the meaning of leverage. Write this down. Leverage and passive income is the purpose of building this business. Please write it down in capital bold. Leverage and passive income is the purpose of building this business. Because the best thing is, out of all those 1,000, 2,000, 10,000, 50,000 distributors, there will be some people who will reactivate their dreams, same like you, same like me. And those people will list out their dreams and they will work for it. And you are going to help them achieve that, because your dreams is only going to be achieved when you help them achieve their dreams. How beautiful it is. कितना खूबसूरत है ये, कि आपका सपना तभी पूरा हो सकता है जब आप अपने पार्टनर का या अपने दोस्तों का ड्रीम पूरा करने में हेल्प करते हो. इससे ज्यादा खूबसूरत बिजनेस और कहाँ मिल सकता है इस दुनिया में. कोई ऐसा इंडस्ट्री है, कोई ऐसा कंपनी है, कोई ऐसा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो डायरेक्ट सेलिंग, आई मीन नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग इंडस्ट्री जो लेजिट कंपनी है, वैसा ऑपरेट कर रही हैं? आई डोंट थिंक सो। अगर किसी को मालूम मेरे को बता देना, अनलेस वो कोई चैरिटी हो। आई डोंट नो, इवन चैरिटी में भी इस लेवल का हेल्प और सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता। आई एम टेलिंग यू, आपको एक टाइम का खाना खिला देंगे, 2 टाइम का खाना खिला देंगे, 1 महीने खाना खिला देंगे, बट इस बिजनेस में हम सिखाते हैं, वी टीच पीपल हाउ टू अर्न दैट फूड, हाउ टू बिकम अर्नर, नॉट अ बेगर। सो now, um, let's understand the purpose of building the business. As I said, write down in capital bold, leverage and passive income is the purpose of building this business. And we only achieve the success, we only reach the success when we help others achieve that. So let's be really proud of what we are doing. No one can stand on your face, trust me. कोई भी आपके फेस के सामने खड़ा होके और ये नहीं बोल सकता है कि यू नो व्हाट, तुम कुछ अच्छा नहीं कर रहे हो और मैं तुमसे अच्छा कर रहा हूँ। कोई नहीं बोल सकता आपके फेस पे खड़ा होके। सो आपको प्राउड फील होना है आप जो कर रहे हो। ऐसा काम कौन करता है? किस इंडस्ट्री में, किस नौकरी में, किस बिजनेस में लोग इस लेवल पे लोगों को जाके हेल्प सपोर्ट करने के लिए रेडी होते हैं जितना इस बिजनेस में आपको मिल जाता है? कहीं नहीं। सो इतना खूबसूरत काम कर रहे हैं हम लोग, इतना नोबल काम कर रहे हैं। So we should be definitely proud of what we are doing. Now, quickly, I will scroll down through this slide. Let me see how efficient my laptop is to take through this. I'm sorry if I took long time, but I wanted to share this. few learning, कुछ चीजें मैंने सीखा था और मैंने लिखा था उसको पीपीटी में नहीं डाल पाया, तो कुछ पीपीटी वाली चीजें हैं, मैं आपको शेयर करता हूँ। देखिए, ये बिजनेस का एक स्ट्रॉन्ग स्ट्रैटेजी क्या है, ठीक है? नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग तो जस्ट कंप्लीट करने के लिए कि हम किसी को क्या बताते हैं, हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं। जब कोई पूछता है कि आप एमएलएम कर रहे हो, क्या आप डायरेक्ट सेल्स कर रहे हो, क्या आप सेल्स प्रोडक्ट सेल्स कर रहे हो, नहीं, ऑल ऑफ देम आर इनकम्प्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन। सो इफ अगर आप हाँ बोल दे तो इफ यू से यस टू इट, दैट इज इनकरेक्ट। इफ यू से नो टू इट, दैट इज ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट। क्योंकि biryani is not only the rice, biryani is not only the meat, biryani is not only the spices, biryani is not only the turmeric, biryani is combination of many things. And not only the ingredients, biryani is also the combination of heat. जो आप हीट देते हो नीचे से बिरयानी पकाने के लिए, किस टेम्परेचर पे कितना देर रखना है, वो सारा चीज कंबाइन करके बिरयानी बनता है। वैसे ही ये नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग बिजनेस जो है, ये नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग, इसके बहुत सारे कंपोनेंट्स हैं और इस कंपोनेंट्स में सिर्फ इंग्रेडिएंट्स नहीं है, इस इंग्रेडिएंट्स में ये भी मिक्स है कि कब कहाँ कैसे क्या बोलना है, उसको हमें सीखना पड़ता है। तो कोई बंदा आके बोलता है कि हाँ मैं 15 साल से नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग बिजनेस कर रहा हूँ, मुझे हंसी आती है उसके ऊपर। I mean, somebody says that I'm building, I'm building network marketing business, or I know network marketing business. I am doing network marketing business from last 15 years, 20 years. I really feel funny. Is he really trying to edify himself or insult himself? समझ रहे हो मेरी बात को? अगर कोई 15-20 साल से 10 साल से बोल रहा है कि मैं नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग बिजनेस कर रहा हूँ, या तो वो अपने आप की वो क्या करना चाह रहा है, वो अपने आप का बड़ाई बतियाना चाह रहा है या फिर अपनी बेइज्जती करा रहा है। जाहिर सी बात है, अगर 10-15 साल से नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग बिजनेस कर रहा है तो डेफिनेटली वो फाइनेंशियली फ्री होगा, यानी कि वो जॉब तो डेफिनेटली नहीं कर रहा होगा, नौकरी तो बिल्कुल नहीं कर रहा होगा। अगर नौकरी कर रहा है और ये बात बोलता है, मतलब वो झूठ बोल रहा है। मतलब वो ऐसा बंदा है कि नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग बिजनेस कहीं किसी ने ज्वाइन करा दिया, वो ज्वाइन कर लिया और कुछ कर नहीं रहा है, नौकरी कर रहा है, और वो आपको बोलेगा कि मैं नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग में, मैं 15 साल से जानता हूँ, मैं 20 साल से जानता हूँ। ऐसे लोगों को क्या बोलेंगे लोग? सो केयरफुल रहें ऐसे लोगों से। Strategies to build a strong network marketing business. Strategy number 1, uh, make a strong decision to achieve your goal. How will you make a strong decision if you don't have one? That's the reason. The first thing we tell you to do is List down your dream list. Make a dream list, at least 10. Make at least 10 dream lists. Put dates in front of those dream lists. That converts into goal. वो goal बन गया. So when you have a goal, that's when you can make a strong decision to achieve it. If you don't have a goal, strong decision किसके ऊपर लेंगे कि मैं बिजनेस करूंगा? ये स्ट्रॉन्ग डिसीजन नहीं है. स्ट्रॉन्ग डिसीजन किसी चीज के ऊपर लेंगे ना कि हाँ मेरे को ये अचीव करना है. तो अगर वो चीज है ही नहीं है तो स्ट्रॉन्ग डिसीजन किसके ऊपर लिया? हवा में ले लिया. सो पहले हमें ड्रीम लिस्ट बनाना है, उसके सामने डेट डालने हैं, फिर हमें स्ट्रॉन्ग डिसीजन लेना है इन ऑर्डर टू अचीव दैट गोल. नेक्स्ट, पुट एक्शन एवरी सिंगल डे. जब आपने ड्रीम लिस्ट बनाया, उसके ऊपर डेट डाल के उसको गोल में कन्वर्ट कर दिया और स्ट्रॉन्ग डिसीजन ले लिया, फिर एवरी सिंगल डे एक स्टेप कुछ ना कुछ जरूर करो. कई बार होता है, देयर आर मेनी टाइम्स वी थिंक कि well today I was so occupied, 12 hours I was into at work, I cannot do anything in the business. No, that's wrong. ऐसा कभी नहीं हो सकता कि आप बिना कुछ किए बिजनेस में सो जाओ. नहीं, एटलीस्ट यूट्यूब में जाके एक वीडियो देख लो. जस्ट वॉच समथिंग, मे बी 3 मिनट्स का वीडियो देख लो. रिपीट, अगर इफ यू हैव ऑलरेडी वॉच्ड, अगर आपने ऑलरेडी देखा हुआ फिर से देखो. इट्स नॉट गोना हर्ट यू, नुकसान नहीं करेगा. 3 मिनट, देयर आर वीडियोस फॉर 3 मिनट्स. वॉच दैट बिफोर यू स्लीप. डू समथिंग every single day to achieve your goal. That's where we take an action. Don't give up. Picture में explain कर रहा है. Picture itself explains. Don't give up. Even the whole world is against you. Because I'll tell you something. The dreams you listed down, the dates you put to make it a goal, is not somebody else's. वो किसी और का नहीं है. वो ड्रीम और गोल जो आपने बनाया है, जो डिसीजन आपने लिया है अचीव करने का, वो किसी और का नहीं है, वो आपका है. और बहुत सारे लोग आएंगे, आपको बोलेंगे यार, जब तक आपको कोई ना पागल ना बोल देना, unless somebody calls you mad, that means you are not serious in the business. Please remember, or you can even note this down. This point you note it down. Unless someone calls you mad, that means understand that you are not serious in the business. जब तक कोई आपको पागल नहीं बोल देता है, तब तक ये समझ लो कि आप बिजनेस में सीरियस नहीं हो. Okay, so that's the level of madness you have to get into to build it. Because unless you become mad, you're not going to make any difference. Right? The full form of mad is what? Make a difference. So the whole world will be against you. You will find that, wow, my son, 22 years, 22 साल का मेरा बेटा, मेरा बेटी, मैं इसको पाल के बड़ा किया और आज मेरे फेस पे मेरे को बोल रहा है कि पागल, ये बिजनेस बेकार है. तभी आप समझ लेना कि आप कुछ आपका जो गोल है, योर गोल इज रियली सीरियस. You have taken this business seriously. Never give up. Take feedback and work on it. Please understand. This does not mean that you will just take feedback from any Tom, Dick, and Harry. Anybody else. No, you will not take feedback from anybody else. You will take feedback from your mentor. People in your team who are growing leaders. Not all the leaders. Growing leaders, active leaders, not someone who joined the business sleeping from last 3 months and gives you advice and you take that advice or you take that feedback. No, ऐसे लोगों का फीडबैक और एडवाइस नहीं लेना जो बिजनेस को ज्वाइन किया और 3 महीने से सो रहे, किया कुछ नहीं और आपको ज्ञान देने चले आए. डोंट टेक दैट, दैट्स डेंजरस. बिकॉज वो तो खुद कुछ नहीं कर रहा है, ही हिमसेल्फ डूइंग नथिंग and trying to give you the knowledge not to do anything. Be aware of it. So take a feedback from the people who are actually building the business, who are active, who are willing to help you. उन सारे लोगों से एडवाइस फीडबैक लेना पॉजिटिवली और उसके ऊपर में काम करना. देखो, मैं अपना पर्सनल एग्जांपल बताता हूँ. आई टेल यू माय पर्सनल एग्जांपल. I had a level of ego in myself when I was into a job, I thought, well, I'm a sales head, and I'm someone. There are so many people working uh, below me, so I'm like a big boss. So I had that level of ego, and also I thought that I'm very knowledgeable. मैं ये सोचता था कि मैं मेरे पास बहुत ज्यादा नॉलेज, लेकिन बाद में पता चला, then I realized that I have to crush my ego. I have to empty my cup. It was full, too much, all full. Whatever I'm learning, it is not getting inside, because I thought I know everything, and the people know everything. You will find a lot of people. Everyone knows everything. So the day I decided to crush my ego, or ये cup को empty कर दिया, I started learning, and then I realized that this is like a big ocean. It's an ocean. The more you learn, the more you will find that there is yet to learn. जितना ज्यादा लर्न करोगे, सीखोगे, आपको मालूम होगा कि यार और भी बहुत ज्यादा सीखने के लिए। सो बी कंसिस्टेंट एंड परसिस्टेंट, एज आई सेड, डेली एक्शन अगर आप लोगे कंसिस्टेंटली एंड परसिस्टेंटली, never giving attitude ke sath, then some movement will happen. Sometimes you will feel that, well, even though from last 15 days I approached so many people, not even one turned up. It's okay. Two things: either you have not fulfilled that numbers, or the way you are approaching, there is a correction, or there is more learning is required. क्या होता है, what happens, we invite 10 people. Sometimes it happens not even a single person turns back. 10 को बुलाते हैं, 10 में से एक भी नहीं आता है, हम डिस्करेज हो जाते हैं, हम सोचते हैं यार लग रहा हम ही कुछ गड़बड़ कर रहे हैं। नहीं, दैट मीन्स देयर इज अ रिक्वायरमेंट टू आइडेंटिफाई। ये सीखने की जरूरत है कि हमने 10 को बुलाया, कैसे, कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम है कि अगर वो बंदा 10 को बुला रहा है तो 10 में से 8 लोग आ रहे हैं। इफ दिस गाय इज कॉलिंग 10 people, 8 people out of 10 are coming to see the plan, and when I'm calling, not even one is coming. That means there is some problem in my approach, in my invitation. So I need to learn the invitation, get back to the person who is actively building the business, approach, take time, learn, and then take the action again. So be consistent and persistent. uh, be excited and enthusiastic. I'll tell you something very important. People all around us in the world, they all are suffering with some kind of challenges, problems, illness, this, that, बहुत सारा चीजों से, they are बहुत सारा प्रॉब्लम से गुजर रहे लोग, हमारे आसपास के लोग और पूरा दुनिया में। Now they need someone with whom they can feel better. Now think about yourself. अपने बारे में आप सोचो कि आप ऐसे लोगों के साथ कनेक्ट होना चाहोगे जो अपना दुख बार बार आपको साथ शेयर करता रहता है, यार ये प्रॉब्लम हो गया, वो प्रॉब्लम हो गया, नौकरी में ये हो गया, वो हो गया, सैलरी कट गई, सैलरी नहीं मिला, ऐसा लोगों के साथ, would you like to connect with such kind of people who are always cribbing and crying and full of loaded and always talking shit? Would you like to connect with those kind of people, or you want to connect with the people with whom you feel little better, relax? It's like, this guy is excited, this guy is energetic, this guy is enthusiastic. So you know with whom you would like to connect. In the same way, people who join the business, whom you show the plan, जिसको आप plan दिखाते हो, they are not joining the company. The first thing, they are joining you. They are connecting with you. You are the company, you are the product, you are everything. They are joining you. They are not joining the company because they have not even seen the company. They don't know anything. They just heard whatever you said and they believed. And with that belief, they saw your face and the happy face, and your face is like so excited, so enthusiastic, so looks so charming. They want to connect with you, and later they will come to know the company and product and all those things. But initially, they people join people. Please understand that. So we have to be really very energetic and excited and make them feel that we are doing something great so that people can join us. Set daily targets. Now, I've already shared this with you, but again, I would repeat. Um, Setting daily targets should not be done in the morning. Bad. Should be done before you go to bed. Now, before you go to bed, your schedule should be written in the diary so that when you wake up, you don't have to waste time on thinking कि आज मुझे क्या करना है, what I have to do today. You don't आपको time waste करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. सोने से पहले, before sleeping, if you write them down, when you wake up, it's already some of the list already here. It's there. So when you wake up, you'll already know what to do, and then you can make that day more productive. ज़्यादा productive बना सकते हैं अगर हमारा next day का schedule लिखा हुआ है तो. Yeah. So that's how we set the daily targets. Create a big team who think like you and have the same vision. So हमारा टारगेट है एक बड़ा नेटवर्क बनाना, एक बड़ा टीम बनाना, और जो हमने बताया हमारा विजन है, whatever vision we have is to create such a big team where at least by 2027 we will, right, we will have more than 1 million people in Mag Hive. That's the goal. And I am so proud to do that, because trust me, even though let's say 50% people out of 1 million don't do the business, still I am so happy that they do not lose anything. उन्होंने कुछ भी लूज नहीं किया. अगर 1 मिलियन यानी 10 लाख लोगों में से अगर 5 लाख लोगों ने कुछ बिजनेस में नहीं किया, नहीं कमाया, तो कम से कम उन्होंने कुछ खोया नहीं. लेट्स बी प्राउड फॉर इट. उसके लिए हमें प्राउड फील होता है कि उसने कुछ खोया नहीं, एटलीस्ट हमारे जरिए उसको अच्छा प्रोडक्ट यूज करने का मौका मिल गया. सो और उस टीम में से कुछ लोग डेफिनेटली वी विल हैव सम पीपल who will have the same vision, same goal, and it's easy. The more people, the more easy it becomes. Yeah, because if you have like 100 kg uh, 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 a bag of gold which is 100 kilogram, and if it is asked you to just this is yours, take it, you will not be able to take it. You need many hands. So if you are lalchi, if you are greedy and try to just take it all for yourself, you will not get anything. But if you make a team and tell everyone, come on, let's pick all of us, and in the end we will divide. So if you have 100 hands, 1 kg each, take it, divide it, enjoy it. So that's how it works when we have जब हमारा एक common goal रहता है. Be a self motivator, don't depend on outside motivation. Honestly, I'm telling you, there are a lot of demotivations when you go out and people crying and craving and calling and seeking help and assistance, with the hope that maybe this guy can lend me some money, and then with that hope. So it actually hurts because we really want to help people, but to how many people will you really help like this by giving? You really can't. And when you tell that individual, come, I'll help you for a week or a month, and at the same time I will help you how to continue or learn how to help yourself, he will not come for it. So it hurts a lot. So that's the reason. Keep yourself protected. There is a resource on your fingertip. जाके YouTube पे आप अपने आप को मोटिवेट करो, अपने गोल्स को रीड करो, read your goals every day, motivate yourself, and keep on. Don't depend on anyone. Don't rely on anyone. If you have a good mentor, if you have a good coach, someone who is really connecting with you, you can always share with them. But always you need to learn to motivate yourself for in the longer run. Because when you have a big team, who will you rely on? Because the team is going to rely on you. And if you go and cry in front of your team, they will all run away. Nobody want to see, tears because they have themselves enough. So have faith and believe in yourself, because if you are doing something like this, which is very ethical, noble, changing many people's life, definitely it is going to work out. Be a winner, and Last not the least, remember the diamond ship we talk about, a rank diamond ship, is just a code. So we all are diamond. We are in the process of refining. So we are actually sharpening ourselves. There are a lot of pressures we are going through, which is very important. That's when we will become a diamond. And the day we become a diamond, trust me, people will tell you, oh, Miss Parlita is very lucky. See, she became diamond. Oh, Jivan Bhai is so lucky. See, he became diamond. Miss Amelia is very lucky because she became diamond. But people have not seen the pressure, right? And that's when people will pay money to come and listen to your stories. All of us have a very strong story. हर एक का जिंदगी में एक बहुत strong story है, बहुत emotional, बहुत painful story है. तो उसको सुनने के लिए आज कोई नहीं आएगा. Nobody will come to listen to those story today. But people will definitely pay you to come to listen to that story. लोग पे करके आएंगे उस कहानियों को सुनने के लिए. जब हम इस प्रेशर से गुजर के डायमंड बन जाएंगे ना, it is going to happen. Trust me. So thank you very much for being with us, and I'm sorry, maybe I've taken a long time, but I just came from inside whatever I had. I thought of sharing with you. So thank you so much again. Let's be serious. Let's make certain targets, or every week at least two people, at least two. Talk to everyone. Trust me. Anyone comes and says that no, this is this, this is that. Maybe you are right. Let's connect and see that if we can learn something different. So thank you very much. Let's build it big and fast. Over to the host.
Wow. It's so inspirational talk, very awesome and wonderful, great training this evening. Thank you, Mr. Anand, for you. I'm so thankful to you because I've learned a lot on it, especially the word put action every single. Be consistent and persistent. And the word don't give up. Thank you, all of us here. Thank you, Mr. Anand. And thank you, everybody, for joining our Zoom meetings today. And hoping all of us will learn a lot on it and will put in action. That's why my team, let's make boom, boom, boom.